You know you're dedicated duck hunter when you got a bum leg and you're out here on the jazzy scooter or whatever that thing is.
This thing ain't messing up my season.
Well, made it to Merritt Island. Got me a nap in, which I needed badly. Freaking tired. Been long past 4 or 5 days. Just got up. We're number 1 and 2 in line. I think I'm fixing to open up the shower on the truck and get cleaned up before it gets dark. Still half asleep trying to set this thing up. This is the shower setup. I got the water tank up there, propane heater, shower enclosure, the floor, shower head, dry zone, laundry. That's what we're working with. Pretty nice for the side of the road. So this is how I pressurize the tank. I got a compressor on board here, and then that hose goes up to my tank. Got a little regulator there. So turn water on. We should have water. I'm grabbing the skateboard, getting ready to go pick us up some dinner from the local bar there. Taking a skateboard ride to go get some dinner. Got the goods, skating back to the truck. My buddy Brad's over there parked in front of me, so I picked him up some dinner too. About to go get our grub on. You know you're dedicated duck hunter when you got a bum leg and you're out here on the jazzy scooter or whatever that thing is.
This thing ain't messing up my season.
Yeah. Some blackened chicken and rice from the skateboard mission. Brad's got him some chicken tenders and French fries and potato salad.
Like I'm 12.
Yeah. I like it.
Oh, damn.
Look at that.
Wow.
Guava cheesecake for dessert. You think about that, Bradley?
Looks damn good.
Neighbor's got the grill going. About to cook him some dinner. Just had some dinner. Figured out a plan for tomorrow morning. Gonna relax a little bit and try to get to bed. Wake up in the morning and hopefully go shoot some ducks. We'll see. Well, I was in here resting and Haygood and them just showed up. I'm gonna jump outside and go say hi to them. And see what they're up to.
Hey, big fella.
What's happening?
Dude, that Pier place was phenomenal.
Place is good.
Yeah, we sat outside and like the restroom was right there.
Yeah, I had blackened chicken thighs. Hey, what's happening, brother?
Colton, Jason, Colton.
Nice to meet you, Colton.
Nice to meet you.
He got blackened chicken Alfredo, and then I got the beef tips, and it was really good.
Nice. What'd you do to make Bradley so mad at these ducks? He's out here with a broke foot and a jazzy scooter.
Me and Bud talked about it today at the shop, and I said, dude, I was like, the kid's obsessed. I was like, I don't
He's out here scouting by himself, can't walk. I mean, put the boat in.
I liked loading and unloading the boat so much I did it twice.
He's mad. He's mad at him. Yeah, he's mad at him. I like it, man.
This isn't for the faint of the heart.
No.
Yeah, no. A little after 3 in the morning, making some coffee. We can get in the park at 4. Time to go do this. Man, I'm telling you. It was.
I don't know if this is good or bad.
It was very melodramatic. Should we put the plug in it?
No. Sink the boat at the ramp immediately. Alright, next time I know to close these clips before we wind this cord up. We're learning a lot.
Yeah,
This is a learning.
learning some.
Oh yeah, look how nice that is. I don't know why we didn't just put them on these things yesterday.
Sometimes you gotta do things the hard way first.
Yeah.
Then you just figure out there's a better way.
Yeah, to the left. You ready? There's 3 of them. Just to the left of the jerk rig. Ready?
We killed one of those.
One.
God dang. Alright.
Alright, we got
We gotta do
that out of the way.
we got that out of the way.
Alright, we gotta do better than that.
That was terrible.
I shot twice.
Dude, that was perfect. I mean, those 3 ducks came in right where we wanted them to.
Literally piled directly in.
And we freaking whiffed.
We should probably hang this up. 17 more to go. Long boat.
Give the old jerk rig a tug one time for good luck. Oh yeah. They can see that from Shiloh 3. They're coming. Damn, that was terrible.
Well, we didn't get skunked.
We didn't get skunked. It could have been worse.
Bill was telling us the story about a guy that got stuck down SBA. He pulled his bird out. And one asked if he got a Cuban guy. Yeah, did you get anything? He said, yeah, I shot the goose. And he pulled up a white pelican. Not the goose. I'm already itching to run out there and grab that thing.
I know.
Rip.
The only thing is, you never know when a
Giant is
hole's in
lurking.
here.
Yeah.
I saw some this morning. 2 out of 3.
We got it.
Collect that one again.
Nice. The hunt started with meeting up with Brad, broken foot and all, taking a sunset skateboard ride, and some amazing dinner. As we wrap up our duck hunt and start packing up, little did we know the real adventure was just about to begin. We're packing everything up now, gathering all our palm fronds and our decoys, and headed back to the boat ramp. The hunt itself was a little quiet, but hanging out with great friends like David and Matt makes it all worthwhile. Catching a glimpse of the SpaceX rocket was super cool. And then tragedy strikes. Well, I no longer have an axle under the trailer. We just took it out. The spindle completely sheared off on the driver's side. So, this is what we're dealing with. That's what's left of the spindle. Still inside the hub. And yeah, took us about probably 20 minutes or so to get it out of there. Luckily David had his impact in the truck.
Side's a little more difficult with all the rocks and dirt.
Yeah.
It'd probably be easier to go this way. If that hub will go through there, do you think it will?
It will, yeah, it's just super heavy.
Let's see.
Well, I don't want to get it hung up. You alright?
It's not that heavy, Jason.
Okay.
It was stuck.
Oh,
I just
okay.
picked it up really fast and smashed the out of my thumb.
Oh no.
Okay.
I need a welder. Call Brad.
Brad is a welder.
I had tools, but it's nice to have an impact. We called around, found a couple guys with some axles, so they went to go check the ducks out and go buy an axle. Hanging out here with our stuff. So, good times. Is that David's axle delivery service?
Delivery service at your service.
I'm gonna put it in this way and then I'll flip it over just so I can not have to slide it past this.
I'm real nervous about thumbs again.
Yeah.
You got it, Dave? Yeah. That didn't sound good.
I'm gonna fall in.
Oh man, it did rip your, the wire out of your light.
Oh, I know a guy.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, right?
6 1/4.
To the hub face from the leaf spring. I needed to go 1.5 inches your way. Be
Freakins.
careful, these things will stick.
Holy cow. The GoPro overheated sitting out there in the sun while we were changing things. We just got it fixed back on the road. Had to pull the fender off because it was demolished. The U-bolts are on there, not quite long enough. We had to use an adapter because the axle didn't have a hole punched in the square tubing to sit on the leaf springs. So it came with some adapters and it made the U-bolts questionable. So yeah, hopefully it'll make it back. Well, we made it home. Our Ducktona 500 performance wasn't the greatest this year, but our pit crew did pretty good changing the axle out. I think that's a wrap.